Hey there, Alex Kidman with my super quick review of the Bonelk Elevate laptop stand and Elevate Junior laptop stand. I'm presuming, by the way, and this is a bit of a digression, that it's Bonelk and not Bonelk, because the latter sounds a bit more like what a lonely Canadian might do. Apologies to my Canadian fans for that terrible, terrible joke. In any case, both of these are laptop stands, and if you're wondering about the difference between the two of them, the primary differences are the size and the price. So the Elevate is a more regular model for laptops between 11 inches to 17 inches, so basically big laptops, where the Junior is the smaller option suitable for laptops between 10 to 14 inches, or at least that is the pitch. Also, the pricing is slightly different. Here in Australia, the Elevate Junior will run you around $69. Nice. While the Elevate laptop stand will run you around $99. Now, of the two, I've been testing both of them out, and of the two, I definitely have a preference towards the Elevate laptop stand, even if you've got a smaller laptop. Now, why is that? Well, there's a couple of reasons, but the primary one is to do with balance. Most laptop stands you're not going to use all the time. You're just going to use some of the times your laptop is going to come and go from it. And what I've found with the Junior is that because it's smaller, because it's got that lighter base, both of them are built out of really nice sturdy aluminium, by the way, but because they've got that smaller base, it's a little bit trickier to get the absolute balance exactly right, whereas with the regular Elevate laptop stand, not a problem. Also, the Junior has these little upwards metal grips, which are fine, but if you had a thicker laptop, that might be a bit of an issue. If the base of your laptop is a little bit thicker, even though it's a smaller device, you might find that it's not going to sit properly on there. Now, admittedly, the regular Elevate laptop stand is not necessarily designed for those smaller laptops, but honestly, I've had no problems getting anything on there. Heck, I can even get a phone to sit on there. I don't know why I'd want to, but it can be done. It'll sit. It works just fine. So, what do I like about them? Look, they're solidly built. There's a nice range of angles depending on whether or not you want it as a display thing or if you just want it raised, then that is all good. They're nice solid hinges which should last a distance. All of these things are good. There's also an optional gamer LED model if you like things that light up. Bonelk didn't send me one of those for review, so I can't really comment on that one. What do I not like? Okay, so as I said, the Junior does have a little bit of a tendency to tip over if you're not careful. I guess if you had it in a single fixed position, that might not be so bad. They also theoretically could do a little bit of air cooling, but yeah, I'm not really sold on that. And in fact, the larger size of the regular Elevate laptop stand might be a bit of a problem in that regard. Still, they're a solid enough option if you want a more stylish way to stack your laptop up to your eye level, which ergonomically is generally held to be a good thing. Anyway, that's my quick take. Got any thoughts? Anything you want to know? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.